How to get a donation button in Please Donate easy and fast. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing day. In this video, I'm going to be showing you a bit of Roblox action, and what I'm going to be showing you is how you can get your very own donation button in a server that's called Please Donate. Now in Please Donate, it's all about people coming up to your stalls or stands, and they're going to see your donations, and if they're attracted to it, they're going to donate the amount of donations that you have given on the overlay or interface. So I'm just going to get into all of that. It's going to be very easy, so I want you to follow all my steps and you're going to be able to make that button. So we're just going to go to roblox.com really quick. Now you can do this on your mobile phones also, but I'd recommend you just do it on your desktop or PC or laptop because that's just more efficient and better. So first of all, what you're going to want to do is obviously sign into your Roblox account. Now once you've done that, you're going to go up here on this ribbon bar and you're going to click on create. Now, once you click on create, for me, it doesn't give that interface, but for you, it's going to give an interface where it's going to give you some tutorial video on creating. And down here somewhere, it's going to give you manage my experiences. That's what it's going to say in like a very small blue text. You're going to click on that manage my experiences. And once you click on that, you're going to come over here. Now, once you're over here, what you're going to want to do is you're going to go directly into passes. Now, before going into passes, you're going to see this experience. These are just the custom experiences that Roblox has made for you already. So this is not something you want to concern yourself with. So we're just going to go directly into passes. And once we're into passes, here's where we're going to start doing our work. So here they say create a pass. Now obviously we're going to create ourselves a pass. So first of all, we're going to choose any image. You can use any image you like. There's no major obligation to it. So I'll just use some random image I have. I'll use this one, let's say. I'll just use this one. Then I can name my pass. For example, we'll name it donation and give the description, and just give any description that you like, any description that actually attracts the audience. I just gave it for example purposes, don't write this. Then what you're going to do is click on preview, and once you click on preview, this is my image is literally a blank profile picture, so don't worry. But your image, whatever you're going to put, it's going to be displayed over here. And then once you like what you see, you're just going to click on verify upload. And once you click on verify upload, here you can see down here that your passes have been created. Now it's not done yet. What you're going to want to do is click on the settings bar and go and click on configure. Now once you go on configure over here, you can change the image or the name if you want to, but that's for later purposes and that's not the important part. What you're going to want to do is go on sales and click on items for sale and turn it on. Now what this does is it activates the donation, because if this is off, no one can really donate to you, but if this is on, people can start donating. You can set the price and you can set it to 1,000 Robux, so people will donate you 1,000 Robux. But know this, that the creator earnings are 70%. The rest of the 30% obviously go to the Roblox community. So out of that 1,000, you'll get 700. So basically, that's about it. Then you're just going to click on save. And once you're going to save that, it's going to be successfully updated. So then you're just going to go on please donate. And once you go on please donate, you're just going to go into the server. You're going to go to your empty stall. And over there, you're going to get the prompt to edit it. And you're just going to click on E, edit it. And then it will automatically make the pass that you just made implemented on the stand of the please donate. And yeah, that's how easy it is to set up donations and please donate. So that's about it. If you have any issues, please let me know down in the comments. And if you want to see any more of these Roblox tutorials, let me know. Until then, like, subscribe to the channel because that helps me out a lot. Share the video around. Leave a nice comment if you like the video. And yeah, that's all from me. Till then, have a nice day. I'll see you later. Goodbye.